So I had my audience quite dialed down. I knew exactly who I was targeting, and they were asking me for education. They wanted to learn more about specific topics. So I created this course. It could have been huge. It could have been 80 hours long. That's what they wanted. I picked a small segment and just went after that one piece. And right away, first month, I made $300, so a little bit better than the ad sales. And pretty quickly, over the next year, it went up to about $10,000 a month and continued to grow from there. And a huge part of that came from YouTube. Upwards of 30 to 50%. So about $3,000 to $5,000 a month in sales was coming from my YouTube channel. And yeah, about $3,000 to $5,000 per month. Now, I say no work. So the amount of work that I put into this YouTube channel to drive these sales was pretty small as far as internet marketing goes. I spent about a month putting together 10 videos initially and eventually got up to about 15. I put them up. I made sure all the tick boxes were ticked. I did the research on what I should do in terms of YouTube marketing and putting all that stuff up. And then I set it on autopilot and I just let it run. And over the last 9-10 years since this has been running, this YouTube channel has generated somewhere between $250,000 and $500,000 in revenue. And that's not ads, that's just driving people to a site where they then sign up for something for free and then eventually purchase something. So I think I'm getting a little more than $1 per view. So as opposed to $1 for 1,000 views, I'm over $1 per view on my channel. So that's really why I focus not so much on the ad sales, but on driving them off. Now, again, if you have Grumpy Cat, go for ad sales.